Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. I'm standing on the compound of a beautiful 4-bedroom house with a 1-bed staff quarters, a security post, 3 living areas, a main kitchen and a kitchenette. And it's located at Adenta. So let's go around the building and then let's take a walk through to see what we have here. The asking price is 400,000 USD or 8 CD equivalent. As it stands now, it's about 95% complete. The size of the land is 50 by 100. It's in a very developed neighborhood with very good schools such as Sunbeam, Dionstairs, Floorspace, Shield International, Honeypot. It's also less than 5 minutes drive from the Adenta police station. We have the Mother Love Hospital and then the Trust Clinic are very close by. Mother Love and Trust Clinic. So that's the security post to our left. Let's get inside to see what we have here. So we enter into the main living area. As you can see, ACs and fans have been installed. So this is a small storage space just by the guest washroom. So this is the kitchen. That door you see leads to the back of the house. And then the kitchen has a storeroom. I believe it's quite spacious. So now let's go upstairs and take a look at what we have there. So we're on the first floor now, and this is the living area on that floor. With a balcony. So on this first floor we have 3 bedrooms. This is the first one. AC and fan has been fixed in each room. Let's check out the other 2 rooms on this floor. This is the 3rd bedroom on this floor. So now let's go to the last floor and see what we have there. This is the main bedroom. Or what we call the master bedroom. And this is the washroom. So what we are looking at is where can be converted to a kitchenette or a bar. And a study, and it has its own balcony. That's the private balcony where you can sit to enjoy some fresh air when you're reading or having some drinks. And then there's another balcony upstairs.